Before we go out, we'll just do a couple of quick checks. We need to do it on both engines, but I'll just show you doing one. We have to check a coolant level, and in there I can see the coolant, that's fine, that's in a good position. We need to have a look at the belts, difficult to see on camera, but reach down, check the belt tension. That's fine. We have lighting in our engine bay, but it's at the other end. And yes, those belts look to be okay, in good condition, good order. I have spares. And then we'll have a look at the all-important oil. So check the oil. Pull the dipstick out. I'll give it a wipe. Then put the dipstick back in. Take it out and have a look. And that is just below full on the mark. So is perfect, so that can go back in.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. At Kildale Marine behind me now sell clear winner debug, and they also sell online, so if you're not from Hull Marina you can actually still buy from them online. Being a pleasure boater, we had trouble with diesel bug, and we was given one of these to trial, and it's fantastic. The boat at my port, survey boat, he had problems with diesel bug at Christmas, and he got some debug, some clear winner, and fingers crossed he's now clear and running. Though he will use diesel bug, clear winner, every time he fills his tanks.
We'd just like to say a massive thank you to John Evans for his wonderful donation through PayPal. Thank you very much, John. Greatly appreciated. So we're going out for our first run this year. It's only a short run. We just want to get the engines nice and hot so we can start our oil changes. Clear. Eh? Yeah. Yeah, we'll be a couple of hours or so, Andy.
1 and holding. 3. 29.
'We've just dropped the hook now at Hessel. Just a nice run up. Managed to get up to 24 knots. Naughty, it's 20 knot river. But she ran nice, she felt nice. No sign of that dragging that we had when we were out at sea. The anchor point we used is on the north shore of the Humber, just beyond the Humber Bridge, called Hessel Beach. It's a lovely little spot, just sheltered, especially if there's a northerly wind blowing. That is ideal. Not so good if it's a southerly breeze.
Yeah. Put it back.
You take care of it. You want 3 foot at the back then?
Okay.
2 foot. 1 foot. Do that.
Cheers. We're in.
Right, we've started our oil change. We have a pump here which is taking oil from the pick-off point at the back of the engine there. That's drying it up. And he's depositing it into my waste oil tank here. So we ought to be able to just leave this running now for a while, and then we'll check it later. And now the pump's turned off and my funnel's in, we're refilling. It's taken about 20 minutes just for that pump to pull the engine oil out, so not bad. Much better than 3 hours it took last time. Right, so we're just about now to start the other side. Somewhere down there is a cat. Again, keep finding this cat. I can just see a tail. But now we try to draw the oil out of the other engine whilst we're still warm. There is the pump, Janet's hand. There is the line, and into my container.
Hello, little miss.
So in a recent video I put out, I said there was a rumour that the new bridge was going to open. Well, 2 days later it did. So then a different view across the marina from the top of the bridge.